Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Looking to keep your digital coins safe and sound? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Before we dive in, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer on the best crypto wallets out there. Seriously, who wouldn't want a discount? Alright, let's get started. First up, we've got the Ledger Nano X. This little gadget is like Fort Knox in your pocket. It's got Bluetooth, so you can manage your crypto on the go. Just don't lose it in the laundry. Next on the list is the Trezor Model T. Sounds fancy, right? That's because it is. This wallet gives you a touchscreen and top-notch security. It's like having a tiny bank vault with you all the time. Perfect for those who take their crypto security seriously. Now, if you're more of a software wallet person, check out Exodus. It's got a sleek design, super easy to use, and it supports over 100 cryptocurrencies. Plus, it has a built-in exchange, so you can trade your cryptos without leaving the app. Convenient, eh? For the mobile users, Trust Wallet is a gem. It's backed by Binance, supports a plethora of coins, and lets you earn interest through staking, and it's all on your phone. Just don't go losing your phone now. Lastly, we have MyEther Wallet, or MeW for short. It's perfect for those who love Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. You can access it through your browser, and it's open source, so you know exactly what's going on under the hood. Nerdy, but in a good way. So there you have it, folks. The best crypto wallets to keep your digital assets safe and secure. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to grab your special offer. Happy hodling, and stay safe out there in the wild world of crypto. Catch you in the next video.